Master the prefix Penta. Count the English way. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a very specific, yet interesting aspect of English vocabulary, the prefix Penta. The beauty of prefixes is that once you understand them, they can help you deduce the meaning of many words. Penta is a common prefix derived from Greek, and it means 5. So, let's explore this further. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Our prefix of interest today, penta, is a Greek root which signifies 5. For instance, look at the word Pentagon. Can you guess what it means? If you break it down, penta means 5 and gon from polygon means angles. So, a pentagon is a shape with 5 angles, or as we commonly know it, a 5-sided figure. Similarly, we have pentathlon. The penta here stands for 5, and athlon is related to contests or sports. Therefore, a pentathlon is a contest consisting of 5 events. Knowing the words is half the battle. The other half is being able to use them correctly in sentences. Let's consider our previous examples. 1. The Pentagon, with its 5 sides, is a unique architectural design for buildings. 2. The Olympic athlete trained rigorously for the challenging pentathlon event. Using the words in context not only helps you understand their meanings but also assists in remembering them. There are many other English words using the penta prefix. Some of them include pentameter, a line in verse or poetry that has 5 strong metrical feet, pentagram, a 5-pointed star, and pentad, a group or set of 5. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a continuous process. Try to learn a few new words each day and use them in your daily conversations or writing. And there you have it, a deep dive into the prefix penta. We hope this video helped you understand this prefix and how it can help in expanding your English vocabulary. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the English language is an exciting journey. In our next video, we will explore another interesting prefix. Until then, stay curious and happy learning.